In this video, we are going to talk about 3 cryptocurrencies that are actually worth trading after this correction is over. And the 3 cryptocurrencies I'm talking about are on the thumbnail, so you already know what I'm talking about, but I'll explain you why. But before we start with that, I just want to explain everybody what this dump right now that's happening, the correction, is all about. Now, as you all know, we had a corona dump in the entire market, right? Everything just totally fell down. This is Snapchat, and as you can see here on monthly chart. On monthly chart, you can see it went all the way down to 7.8. Snapchat. It was in uptrend, really nice uptrend, and then it dropped really hard before it corrected and went up again, right? Now, this is Tesla. Same story. Went up, was really bullish, and then Corona came and just crashed down, right? Before it corrected and continued upwards, right? This is Apple. Same story. Went up. Corona came February, March, went down and then corrected and went up. The same thing is happening right here. Just because I made a lot of videos about these other tokens that are actually really bullish, and suddenly everything is dropping and people are saying like, wow, you said it's going to 40, now it's 12. You have to understand that when something like this happens, when Bitcoin pulls crypto market down, everything drops down. Doesn't matter what kind of technicals it has, it will drop down. But as soon as Bitcoin is corrected, everything else will start going in the direction it was supposed to go. So Chainlink is going to 40. That said, I want now to show you the 3 coins that are actually worth checking out trading after this correction is done. And by the way, the correction is not done yet. I know everybody wants to believe that correction is 17,000. I think we're going to go down more. That's the bearish news, but the good news is we have 3 really nice coins to trade after this dump is over. Okay guys, welcome to the channel. Traders, day traders, gamblers, and all other kinds of traders. Now, we are gonna talk about today. Which one are we gonna talk about? Where are my coins? Where are my coins, man? Here are my coins. We're gonna start with Bitcoin Satoshi Vision. We won't go into like which coin, Bitcoin is real coin and which is Satoshi Vision or not. We are just interested in trading, right? And Satoshi Vision is actually really nice. So why is it nice? Well, you see already the lines I've drawn here, and let's clear this up. So I'm gonna explain to you. So right now we have this triangle that it has to get out of, right? We have this triangle. It didn't get out of the triangle. A lot of coins and tokens have already gotten out of their long-term triangles. Something like right now, really hot stuff is Stellar, right? It had a really long trend line that's gotten broken out of, right? It didn't correct all the way down or under it. So upside, it's although bullish, it's not something traders will want to be trading like for really big gains. But something like Bitcoin Satoshi Vision is tradable, because right now the traders that are trading Satoshi Vision are being pushed into their corner, and then at the end of the corner they have to pick a side. Do they want to go up or do they want to go down? And whichever side they pick, that's gonna be really big move. Okay, so Satoshi Vision is the first thing, and you can see here what Satoshi Vision is actually doing. It seems to me that Satoshi Vision is some kind of pump and dump coin, maybe something like Doji. This was the first. I think this was some kind of wedge the first time. Got out of the wedge, pumped really hard, and then sell-off came, of course. I don't know if this was the first sell-off. Maybe even this one. Maybe this is the actually some kind of wedge again. Then this is the second time. But I actually believe this entire thing is actually the second pump, something like this. So it went down, this was second pump, boom, went up, and now we're getting into the third pump. And you can see the how Bitcoin Satoshi trades. Like there's some kind of pump, sell off, pump, sell off, pump, sell off, and I'm expecting some kind of pump and sell off. Just be careful when you're trading Bitcoin Satoshi Vision that after the pump the sell off is really hard. Like I don't think people actually believe in Satoshi Vision that much, so they're just trading it because why not? Money is money, right? But thing is, the important thing is we are in the triangle over here, and we did break out of the triangle, but on the day when the on the day we broke out of the triangle here. Okay, my lines are not that good. My lines, I don't think my lines are that good. So we won't say actually on what day we draw, because these are just I just put these here right now just so you can see it. They are not really precise, so we can't actually pull anything out of that. But it looks like it pumped out on the same time around when the Bitcoin was actually correcting, and then it went back down into the triangle. So once the correction over, watch Bitcoin Satoshi Vision and look for the breakout here. You see here right now it's the red one is 20, the yellow one is 50 moving average, and it's trading below them. So actually bearish, but the thing is whenever the entire crypto market is bullish, it's gonna break these and it's gonna go really high up. So Bitcoin Satoshi Vision, that's the first coin. The second coin we're gonna talk about is the coin we already talked about before, but it's still in play, and that's Bitcoin Cash. A lot of Bitcoin today, Bitcoin Satoshi Vision, Bitcoin Cash, but we are talking about real Bitcoin, not real Bitcoin. So even the Bitcoin Cash is not pumped yet as it is supposed to pump. Now it has a lot of room to go actually here in the triangle. I think it's around 70-80% now in the triangle. There should become some kind of a pump, and it should get out of this triangle and pump really hard once this is clear. But the thing is, it hasn't pumped yet. So Bitcoin Cash is a coin to watch out for, because it's going to pump. Also, Bitcoin Cash something really nice. It has all these, and we talked about this in the previous video on Bitcoin Cash. It has all these moving averages on the weekly that are actually now forming as a really hard support at 265. So even though I said Bitcoin is gonna go further down, I don't know if this actually gonna go further down, because the support is really immense right down here. So I think people are just gonna keep on buying whenever it drops below these, because these are monthly, now these are weekly moving averages. So Bitcoin Cash coin also to be watching out for. It seems to me that it wants to break up. This also might be the line, because this entire move, even the up move, it seems to be that it's Corona move, Black Swan event. Just disregard it as much as you can. That might be something like this as well. So we are actually, if this is more correct triangle, we should pump really hard. So Bitcoin Cash, another coin to watch out for until after the correction on Bitcoin. Once Bitcoin is corrected, everything else is gonna come into play, and we are gonna be bullish again. I think even before the entire correction, because you know, when Bitcoin is going down, people are saying all season everything is gonna go up. Really not quite sure about that. How it's gonna happen. All I'm saying is after the correction, that's for sure. If it starts before, it starts before, but watch Bitcoin Cash. And the third coin, I had really some big history with third coin, man. The third coin is EOS. And I don't know what you know about EOS, but in 2018 I was really naive. I was believing in everything, and I was falling for everything, and I did not know how to trade. I did not know how to do decent technical analysis. I've come a long way since then, man. So I think I bought around here, around 20 or something like that. Really top, like 20, 19, 20. Something right over here. That's where I bought. You know, it says a little about me, you know. And then it started going down, and I was trying trading here. It didn't go that well, and then I sold everything down here. So I was quite doing quite badly in this move over there. So, but I've been following EOS for a long time, and as you can see, EOS as well is keeping its triangle. Its biggest triangle, it's not come out yet. So keep EOS on your radar. EOS is gonna pump really, really hard, just as the other two. EOS, Bitcoin Cash, BSV are gonna pump out really hard as soon as they get out of the triangle. And I believe that after the Bitcoin correction, all of these three coins are gonna be the next in line to pump, because people are trading everything, and they are making sure to go into coins that are ready to pump, and then get out after the pump and go into another coins that are ready to pump. That's how they do it. That's how they catch all the 30% moves, because they are watching the technical analysis on all of the coins and know which one is next in line to pop, you know. So right now, BSV, Bitcoin Cash, EOS, probably a lot of other coins. I haven't checked everything, like thousands of other coins, but these are like top coins you should be knowing about, and trading if you know what you're doing. Of course, as always, you do your trades, I do my trades, not the financial loss and all that. I do tech analysis, I tell you my opinion, you do with that what you want. But I'm just saying, this is tradable as F. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Tradable as F. So if I should rate these three, which one has the most potential to pump really hard, I would say EOS number one, Bitcoin Cash. Let me see EOS moving averages. Yeah, man, EOS moving averages. Look at this. EOS moving averages are holding the 20 moving average on the weekly, so everything is still in play. Now, I think the first one to pump is gonna be Bitcoin Cash, maybe, then EOS, then the Bitcoin Satoshi Vision, the Bitcoin Satoshi. But I like, my personal preference is EOS first, because it's the triangle is entire life, right? This was some kind of start, right? And then the entire is 2 years triangle based on the 2 years. See, this is 2 years. This is 2018, 2020. That's almost 3 years. 2018, 19, 20. 3 years big triangle. It's gonna go hard, man. 3 years. This has been correcting for 3 years, man. 3 years. So I think EOS, Bitcoin Cash, then Bitcoin Satoshi Vision for pump and dumps, of course. But the first one that pumps, I think, might be the Bitcoin Cash. But I like EOS really much right now, really, really much. So that's what I got for you today. I hope you liked it, and I as always, I promised you every day it's gonna be a bullish video day. So even in these kind of times when everything is red, I was thinking about making a stellar video and something like that, but it pumped just so hard. I don't know what to say about it. Oh, it's gonna pump more. But the stellar, I think, is one of the coins that actually looks like it might actually hold against Bitcoin. But if Bitcoin drops down, everything is gonna drop. So I cannot do a video that, oh, we got this is going up. Like, I don't think anything is gonna go up before the Bitcoin corrects. And because you are watching, this is bonus content right now. I'm gonna go to the Bitcoin and I'm gonna tell you what I think is gonna happen. Okay, so this is Bitcoin, and when it's gonna correction is gonna be finished actually, and I'm gonna tell you when I think the correction is gonna be finished. We're gonna go on the daily. I won't explain why I think the correction is gonna be finished, where it's gonna be finished, but I'm gonna tell you right now. Okay, so we need for the correction. We need the RSI and the price. So all we want to do is look at the price and look at the RSI. We want RSI on the daily to reach 30, or area around 30. Okay, so a bit below 40 at least, somewhere here. Once that is in, accompanied with the other indicators, that's gonna be the bottom. RSI falling down to 54, it's not full correction. If this just stops over here, continues up, that's not the correction we are looking for. We are looking for 20, 30, 40% correction. And right now we only have 16.9, 70% correction. That's too small. We have to have at least 30% correction, 27 to 30, 40% correction, and if we get that, the RSI has to come all the way down here. Once the RSI is all the way down on the bottom on the daily, the correction is somewhere over, and you can look to enter the market again, trade it on the upside. Right now, I think only trading on the downside is the option, but for Bitcoin to go down, that's the play. That's the play. Anyways, thanks guys for watching all of the video. I appreciate it. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more of these trading videos. We are trading altcoins, cryptocurrencies, anything and everything goes. Technical analysis. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel, man. I need to grow. Somehow I need to grow. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And some music. Bam. Dude, I cannot do these buttons, man. Music. And music was too loud last time, so something here like this. Yeah. Is this good sound for music? Because I can't hear it right now. I can't hear it. I'm just watching the things go around. Thanks. Bye-bye.